Session topic is construction and working of four-stroke petrol engine. In this topic, we will learn identify different parts of four-stroke petrol engine and understand the principle of working of a four-stroke petrol with explanation. I will explain step by step. First, parts of four-stroke petrol engine, then four-stroke involved, then principle of working of four-stroke petrol engine, and then PV diagram. So these are the parts of basic parts of four-stroke petrol engine. This part is called as engine cylinder. It contains gas under pressure and guides piston. This golden part is called as piston. Piston transmits and to piston transmit the thrust to the connecting rod. This connecting rod is connected to the piston. The connecting rod transmit the piston load to the crank, and this purple part is called as crank. As the piston moves up and down, this up and down motion is called reciprocating motion, and this reciprocating motion, to convert this reciprocating motion, crank and connecting rod is used. This part is called inlet valve. It is used for admitting mixture of air and fuel. This is exhaust valve and it is used for discharging the product of combustion. This white part is called a spark plug. The main function of a spark plug to ignite the mixture. Okay. So these are the four-stroke of petrol engine. There are four strokes. First is intake or suction stroke. The second stroke is called compression stroke. The third stroke is called power stroke. And the fourth stroke is called exhaust stroke. Now I will explain one by one these strokes. First stroke, intake stroke or suction stroke. During this stroke, this is top dead center and this is bottom dead center. The uppermost position of cylinder is called top dead center and the bottommost position of cylinder is called bottom dead center. Piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. Okay. During this stroke, as piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center, inlet valve is open, as you can see that in figure. Inlet valve is open and volume of space above piston increases, creates partial vacuum. Atmospheric pressure forces air through carburetor, through intake valve, and it is drawn into the cylinder. Okay. The second stroke is called compression stroke. In this stroke, piston moves towards bottom dead center to top dead center and compresses air fuel mixture. The pressure of the mixture rises is in the cylinder to a value of 8 bar. Both inlet and exhaust valves are closed. The next third stroke is expansion or working stroke. When mixture is ignited by the spark plug, the hot gases are produced, which derives the piston from top dead center to bottom dead center, and thus the work is obtained. That is why this stroke is called working stroke. The next fourth stroke is called exhaust stroke. In this stroke, gases from which work is collected becomes useless. After the completion of expansion stroke, and are made to escape through exhaust valve. As you can see that figure, that inlet valve is always closed and exhaust valve is open. This is the PV diagram of 4-stroke petrol engine. This diagram describes what occurs during each step on the PV diagram. Okay. This line, this green line, 0 to 1 represents suction stroke. In this stroke, piston draw down to the bottom to allow the volume in the chamber to increase. So it can take fuel air mixture. In terms of thermodynamic, this referred to as isobaric process. In easy language, isobaric process is process in which pressure is constant. So green line 0 to 1 represents suction stroke, which is isobaric. Orange line 1 to 2 represents compression stroke. During this stroke, piston will be drawn up so it can compress the fuel air mixture that entered the chamber. Okay. The compression causes the mixture to increase slightly pressure. As you can see that from point 1 to 2, pressure is slightly increasing and temperature. However, no heat is exchanged in terms of thermodynamic. This is referred to as an adiabatic process. Adiabatic process means there is no exchange of heat between system and surrounding. Red line 2 to 3 represent constant volume heat addition. Means this is where combustion occurs due to the ignition of fuel by the spark plug. The combustion of the gas is complete at point 3, which results in highly pressurized chamber that has a lot of heat. In terms of thermodynamic cycle, this is isochoric process. In simple language, isochoric process means when volume is constant. That is why 4-stroke petrol engine cycle also called as constant volume cycle. The line 3 to 4 represent in the thermal energy to the chamber as a result of combustion is used to do work on the piston, which pushes piston down, increasing the volume of chamber. This is also known as power stroke. This line 3 to 4 is also an adiabatic process since there is no heat exchange between system and surrounding. The line 4 to 1 is constant volume heat rejection. From process 4 to 1, exhaust valve open and all the waste heat is expelled from the engine chamber. As the heat leaves the gas, the molecules lose kinetic energy, causing decrease in pressure. Now, last point 1 to 0, blue line represents exhaust phase occur when the remaining mixture in the chamber is compressed by the piston to be exhausted out without changing the pressure. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.